Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. Is your iPhone battery draining faster than usual? Before you think about replacing your battery, it is important to check its health. In this video, I will show you how to view your iPhone's battery health, understand what the numbers mean, and know when it's time to consider a battery replacement. Before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Step 1. Open battery health. Step 2. Check your battery information. Step 3. Understand what your battery health means. Let's break it down step by step. Step number 1. Open battery health. First, open the Settings app. Tap Battery. If you have an iPhone 15 or later, tap Battery Health. If you have an iPhone 14 or earlier, tap Battery Health and Charging. Apple uses slightly different menu names depending on your iPhone model. Step number 2. Check your battery information. Here, you'll see your maximum capacity, which estimates how much charge your battery can hold compared to when it was new. On iPhone 15 models and later, you will also see additional information such as battery cycle count, manufacture date, first use date. These details can help you better understand your battery's condition and age. Step number 3. Understand what your battery health means. A battery health of 90% or higher is generally considered to be in very good condition. As the battery ages, the percentage naturally decreases. Apple recommends considering battery service if the maximum capacity falls below 80% or if your iPhone indicates that battery service is recommended. Remember, a lower battery health doesn't always mean your iPhone is broken. It simply means the battery won't last as long between charges. And bonus tip, want to help your battery last longer over time? Open the Settings app. Then go to Settings, Battery, Charging. Turn on Optimize Battery Charging. This feature learns your daily charging routine and delays charging past 80% until you need to use your iPhone by reducing the amount of time your battery stays fully charged. It can help slow down battery aging and extend your battery's overall lifespan. If you do not see this option, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS, as features and menu names may vary depending on your device model and software version. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your iPhone model, region, and iOS version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Apple or any smartphone manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to check your iPhone's battery health on iOS 26. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more iPhone and Android tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.